I'm back again with an update with the Volkswagen e-Golf Lithium Mini Powerwall on a load test. So I conducted the load test last night, which I didn't mention that to you guys, but I decided to go ahead and make the load test behind you guys, and I'm trying to show you the result. What is going on? It has been running. The program started at 2100 hours, which is 9 p.m. Central Standard Time here in Minnesota. And this is what I've done. I hook up the system to the inverter. If you haven't seen the video of that and you stumble towards this one, I just want to show you, this is the setup here, just a kind of sketchy, rough setup here for you guys to see. But literally I'm using only one inverter, which is that one. See, it's pulsing with the green light. We charged the battery yesterday to 15.9. That was the reading when we start, 15.9. And guys, it has been running since 9 p.m. So if we calculate from 9 p.m., 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 10 hours, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is 12 midday here now, 12 midday, which is 15 hours of run times. So if you subtract 15.9 out of, you subscribe 14.6 out of 15.9, that will tell you exactly how many volts we took from the battery. So by doing the math, this power pack has been doing some great job running a freezer by itself, and each module of this, so I'm going to give you the specs. I've said it before. Each module, because the 4 modules here, 2 in series parallel. So each module, the full charge of it is supposed to be 8.4, but we never charge these batteries to 8.4 volt, which is supposed to give us a total of 8.4 times 2, that's 16.8. We only charge this module not full due to the battery, so that we can have a longevity of the battery. We don't charge it 100%, which can give us to 16.8 volt. So one module should be 8.4 and is rated at 100% state of charge. And if it drops to 7.4, it will be 70% state of charge. So if we multiply 7.4 times 2, these 2 modules right here, the voltage right now, and it will be a 14.8. So we just passed that threshold right now to 14.6, with 14.8, which is 2 modules, 7.4, will give us at a 70% state of charge. Okay, 7.4 is 70% state of charge. So times 2 will give us a 14.8. So we're sitting at 14.6. So we are just about the range, about 69 or 68% state of charge, or 69 point something. So we are just on that threshold. So if each module of this goes down to 5.4 volt, that means 5.4 volts is 0% state of charge. Well, 5.4 volt times 2, that will give us a 10.8 volt. I will never let these batteries go to 10.8 volt, because I put the battery cutoff at 12.2. Okay, at 12.2. So 12.2 divided by 2, that means each module will be a 6.1. So we are way ahead of the zero. It will be around the 30% or 40%, very close, 40%, 45%. But right now we are sitting approximately at 69 point something percent state of charge. So according to the specs of these modules, so we've done 15 hours runtime, and this is what we got. And we're running this freezer. You see the cord where I plugged it right there, and the freezer is currently running. There you are. They're running, but it's not seeing like it's pulling anything. If it pulls below, the freezer doesn't take that much. So the cord is all the way here and to the power strip cable. It's right here. So it plugs there and it's running, and you see the light blinking, and you can hear it from the background, I suppose. You can hear it, right? All right. So this is the chest freezer we're running, which is energy saving, and it's a Kenmore. So this is what is supposed to be saving you yearly cost, $23. Okay. At 174 kilowatts estimated yearly electricity use. So you burn $23. All right, this is not from me, or this is from the label from the Sears Manufacturing Corporation, US government. So yep, that's what it is, and I have the setting on right here. Just want to share with you. Like and subscribe. The battery is doing, I think it's doing good. You guys tell me what you think. Out of this, okay, 543, which is 510, so 2,100 something kilowatt hour, and 150 amp hours total. So guys, this is what it is. I just want to show you, I want to share with you, and this setup is doing an awesome job. And could you imagine if you have this one hook up your television, you're running it as a crisis and whatever, you can do fine. The inverter kicks in, and the fan when warm, well, you're gonna see, let's check the temperature. When it's really warm, then fan kicks in. I think the fan is running quietly inside, or maybe just a transformer. Well, let's check the temperature here. So it says battery sensor, which the sensor is not hooked up to it. Maybe it's just probably reading the ambient if you had that kind of capability. And it says the transformer is reading 138 Fahrenheit. Okay. And now we have the transistors are reading at 93 degrees Fahrenheit. And automatic generator start is now hooked up to it. So guys, this is what it is. And that's the model of the inverter. Alright guys, I think everything is working perfectly. And I just want to share with you guys like and subscribe on the channel. I was gonna use the tea kettle yesterday on it, but the inverter is just 1,000 watt. The tea kettle is 1,300 watts because I was gonna do that load test, a rapid load test, continuously boiling water, to see if the battery is gonna drop till it's shut off. But it's a waste of time, so I decided to just leave it this way. I don't have to worry about it and let it run at a nominal load, run like just any regular machine running for a day with you know, a freezer full with all goodies, and so you can keep running to do a normal test instead of hurrying up the test. And I decided to, I don't want to do that time lapse at all, so I decided to do the test before notifying you guys. And this is what I've come up with, and I hope you like this package. So our 12-volt system is coming to a conclusion, and is gonna be a successful one. Then I will just show you the other 12-volt system with a Ford Focus battery. Sorry for the glare. This is the other one here I was building, and I see, you can see it has the same bus bar here, and that's the Ford Focus batteries in there. Yeah, this one is 68 amp hour each battery, so they run at 8 point. They're all the same. The specs are the same with those Volkswagen. It's all the same, identical. The only thing, this one has more yeah, this one has more wattage, okay, because two of these modules here can be I think it's a 3.4 kilowatt, two of these. So we're talking about whatever you have there. It's approximately, was it 7? Very close, 7 we have there. So this one has all the good stuff, and the switches, the charging ports for USB, and all the meters. It has the one of the midnight kid. So this one I'm trying to complete, but I was thinking maybe I can use those Volkswagen batteries in here instead of these ones here. I can take these ones and add them back to the Ford Focus batteries I have there. The 6 modules, that will make it 7, 8 modules altogether, increasing a big battery bank at 12, 24, 36, 48 configuration to even very close to 60 volts. I can do that if I combine these batteries to the other 6 modules I have there. So it's going to be 7 and 8 modules for 66 volts for 48 volts. I can do that. So guys, I don't know, since I don't have the Ford Focus a lot, I might take these ones. I'm not gonna probably utilize them on this project. It's already series. I parallel them all balanced, and now I have them in series. 2 of these is in a 12 volts, which is 8.4 8.4 each for, so it's 16.8. So that's what I have there. So I don't know, I might probably use I might get the Volkswagen, probably fill them in here. If I do the measurements, I think it's gonna fit right in here the way I have it here, the way I have it this way on horizontal. So I can probably put it this way. In this way, if I take it this way, it's going to be vertical, so it might fit in there. So I can able to put a stockpile of these, maybe 2. If I can able to stock them, pile them all the way up, I can. due to the weight. But anyway, I can able to do that. I might prefer, if I'm gonna do that, I have 8 of those modules. So I already have 4. If I can get 4 more of those modules, then I can able to have enough power to run for a very long time. I just want to come back and show you, because the inverter just kicking is blowing some cooler air, not too warm. After a while, the components getting warm inside, the fan kicks in and cool the system off. So see, still on the GFCI light. So if it's resting, you will see it's blinking. It's like that, tapping, and this one is pulsing here. That means it's working. So it's just taking below the threshold. So if I decided to go to the DC meters here and go DC meter, and you see 0 amps, because the freezer is more efficient. And the other thing, again, this is not connected to the battery monitor kit, but if you have a load, then you see yesterday was pulling about 11 amps when I started the freezer. Okay, 1 3 4, where's the 2? It's not that. Anyway, some of these meters are outdated. So anyway, this is what it is. I have 4 more modules of these. 1 2 3 4. Each white line is a battery, and that means, guys, I'm back on business. If I have that, that means I can have 8 of these modules for that other generator. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. We're back at jwsolarusa, guys. Well, this makes it exactly 24 hours. We started usage of the batteries yesterday. These ones, the mini Powerwall, Volkswagen e-Golf. So you saw all this connection yesterday, and the same mess is still sitting here. I haven't done anything. And check this out. We charged battery and started using them at 15.9 volt, and now we're just sitting at 14 volt even at 2100 hours today. Hey guys, look at that. So it has been running the freezer. I had it in the freezer for 24 hours straight, and this guy is just doing fantastic job. So I just want to give you a report that this thing, in a time of crisis, can power your freezer, can watch your TV. Just this 2100 and something block right here, Volkswagen. So you can hear the fan. So when it gets warm, then it's gonna put some kind of air, so pulsing here. It's giving power to the thing. You can see the solid LED here. See it still illuminating. That means it's it's transmitting the power, the freezer, to the loads. So I just want to show you that these little guys can do something, can make a change or impact in your life. So never try to neglect anything that is small, portable, and they will do a lot of stuff. Like and share, jwsolarusa. I would love to go more than that, more than these, way lower. For how many? Maybe it's gonna be 2 days, because the cutoff is gonna be 12.2. That's the lowest this thing can go. This is a 12.2 divided by 2, so it's gonna be 6.1 pan each module. 6.1 each module. each module is supposed to be 8.4. We didn't charge these batteries all the way to the brim, all the way to the top. The batteries, they were just we capped them, so you can't charge all the way to the top. Well, imagine if I would have charged them to 16.8. That would be nice. But this is so far the charge the inverter can let it go. Like and subscribe, jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching, and here's an update. And I want to see this thing go all the way down till it's shut down, and we're gonna see how many days this battery is gonna power the freezer. But I'm not gonna be home tomorrow, and the freezer had a lot of food in it, and eating a lot of organic food. They're expensive, so you don't want it to be all messed up. So this is what I have to do. I have to stop the test here. Now I'm comfortable. So it's only a 1.9 volt we use for 24 hours. 24 hours with a 1.9, because it was 15.9. We just use a 1.9 in 24 hours, running the entire freezer for the rest of the 24 hours. Alright guys, love you guys, take care, bye for now. Stay tuned for more to come live from the channel jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Volkswagen e-Golf, that's the man right there. Yeah, never underestimate something that is small. It's powerful. I build good systems. Stay tuned if you want to see more better build, and come back later, check me out. Hey, I got something new that just came and on the mail. I want to share with you guys, and that will be on the next video. After I uploaded this video, that will be the next one. Interesting stuff. You will love it, trust me. Bye for now. Like and subscribe.